Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert text box in publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show insert text box. Now going to the insert one option, then click for draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text, then now select from text, now text size, then text box. Now going to the format one option, then click for shape fill option. Now then choose color in the text box and outline, then choose color in the outline. That is, now you can see insert text box in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for